Fetch Rewards installation. Problems are usually caused by low storage space, outdated phone software, App Store issues, or problems with the internet connection during the download. By the end, you'll know how to check your device, fix common Fetch Rewards installation problems, and what steps to take if the app still will not install. Section 1 is checking your phone before installing Fetch Rewards. Start by checking your available storage. When your device has very little free space, app downloads can fail or stop before the installation finishes. Delete unused apps, remove old files, or clear unnecessary downloads if your storage is full. Then try installing Fetch Rewards again. Next, check whether your phone software is updated. An outdated operating system can prevent apps from installing correctly. Open your device settings and check for software updates. Install any available updates and restart your phone before attempting the download again. Make sure you are installing Fetch Rewards from the official App Store. Android users should use the Google Play Store, while iPhone users should use the Apple App Store. Section 2 is fixing download and connection issues. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt the installation process. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether your connection is causing the problem. If the download freezes or fails, cancel the installation and try again. Closing and reopening the App Store can refresh the download process. Restarting your phone can also fix temporary system issues that block app installations. Android users should check that the Google Play Store is working normally. iPhone users should check that the App Store is loading correctly and that they are signed in. Section 3 is checking compatibility and handling errors. Search for Fetch Rewards directly inside your App Store and confirm that the app appears for your device. If the app does not appear, your phone may not meet the required device settings, or the app may not be available for your device. If you see an error message, save the exact wording. The error details can help identify whether the problem comes from storage, compatibility, your App Store, or your phone settings. If Fetch Rewards still will not install after these steps, contact Fetch Rewards support with your phone model, operating system version, and the installation error message. The key points are simple. Check your storage, update your phone, and fix App Store or connection problems before reinstalling. Your next step is to restart your device, confirm you have enough space, and install Fetch Rewards again from the official App Store. If this guide helped you fix a Fetch Rewards installation problem, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.